Okay, I want to use the VRP cream and plastic right here. So I actually trying to put it, so as you can see, this is before and after. This is a really good protectant. It's actually, when you put it, it's dry to the touch. It's a little goes long way. So basically I put just a couple drops and I can still work it in. And you can use it on all plastic, rubber and vinyl pieces in your car. So basically anything like this, and you can see it's like new.